What did you think of the city? What did you think of the city? I found the city quite charming and clean. I found the city quite charming and clean. How is your grandmother? How is your grandmother? She's in excellent health, thankfully. She's in excellent health, thankfully. What kind of people do you like? What kind of people do you like? I like honest and friendly people. I like honest and friendly people. Is this seat occupied? Is this seat occupied? No, this seat is free now. No, this seat is free now. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? No questions at the moment. No questions at the moment. Are you married? Are you married? Yes, I am happily married. Yes, I am happily married. How much does the rental cost? How much does the rental cost? The rental is $1,000 per month. The rental is $1,000 per month. What's the problem? What's the problem? My car broke down today. My car broke down today. How is your business? How is your business? Business has not been easy lately. Business has not been easy lately. Have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever ridden a horse? I've ridden a horse once before. I've ridden a horse once before. What is your weight? What is your weight? I weigh about 150 pounds. I weigh about 150 pounds. Do you enjoy camping? Do you enjoy camping? No, camping outdoors is not my preference. No, camping outdoors is not my preference. What is your favorite book? What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Can you speak Cantonese? Can you speak Cantonese? No, I don't speak Cantonese. No, I don't speak Cantonese. How much is it in total? How much is it in total? The total is $50. The total is $50. Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? Sure, I'm a competent bike rider. Sure, I'm a competent bike rider. Are you scared of snakes? Are you scared of snakes? Yes, I'm somewhat afraid of snakes. Yes, I'm somewhat afraid of snakes. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well? Yes, I can clearly hear you. Yes, I can clearly hear you. Is it raining? Is it raining? No, but it's going to rain soon. No, but it's going to rain soon. Is the store open? Is the store open? Yes, the shop is currently open. Yes, the shop is currently open. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I am a primary school teacher. I am a primary school teacher. Shall we take a walk? Shall we take a walk? Sure, let's go for a walk. Sure, let's go for a walk. Do you have any clue? Do you have any clue? No, I don't have any clue. No, I don't have any clue. How long have you known her? How long have you known her? I've known her for more than 10 years. I've known her for more than 10 years. How long do we need to wait? How long do we need to wait? We need to wait half an hour more. We need to wait half an hour more.